In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a progress invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting your journey with QuickBooks, creating a progress invoice can be straightforward once you get the hang of it. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, if you haven't already, you'll need to head over to QuickBooks Online. If you don't have an account, you'll want to sign up and create one. But if you already have an account, simply click on Sign In and enter your account details. Make sure you check the I'm not a robot box and then click Continue. You'll then be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. Once that's done, select Continue once more. If you have multiple company files, you'll need to choose the correct company file you want to work with. Once you're in QuickBooks, navigate to the settings by clicking on Settings. From there, choose Account and Settings. In this area, you'll want to click on the Sales tab. Here, you'll see an option for Progress Invoicing. Click the pencil icon to edit it. In this section, you'll need to ensure that the option Create Multiple Partial Invoices from a Single Estimate is turned on. Once you've done that, hit Update followed by Save to ensure your changes are applied. Now it's time to create an estimate for your customer. Simply click on Plus New and then Estimate. Fill in your customer's name, list the products or services, and specify the amounts for each. After entering all the necessary details, make sure you save the estimate you've just created. After you've saved the estimate, it's time to find and click on Estimates, which will bring you to a list. Highlight the estimate you want to work with, and then you'll need to convert it into an invoice. Click on Convert to Invoice and select Create Invoice. You'll be presented with options to choose how much of the estimate you wish to invoice. You can choose a percentage of each line item, specify a custom amount for each, or invoice the remaining total of all line items. Finally, once you've made your selection, review the invoice details. Don't forget to add any necessary notes or terms to ensure your client has all the information they need. When everything looks good, click on Save and Send to send the progress invoice to your customer. And there you have it. You've just created a progress invoice in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can ensure that you're keeping accurate records and billing your clients incrementally based on the completion of work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.